Hey everybody, I'm going to try to make this video quick because I ran out of time when I was filming it the first time. So this is video number 2. This video is going to focus on the academic content that we hope to share with you guys to help support you and your families during this time off. First, we want to mention that none of this is required. It is all optional. We encourage you to do as much of it as you can based on where your family is at and what your situation is. So don't feel like you have to do it all. If you miss something, that's fine. Maybe you don't do any of it. Maybe this whole time is you focused on keeping your family safe and healthy and in the places they need to be, and that's fine too. We get that. So, but we do want to provide things your way for those who are able to engage in this content. So this video is going to be split up between, I think, 2 different things for the most part. I want to explain the platforms that we're going to use to share the items with you, and then also our schedule when we're going to share things. So first thing I want to do is I want to jump over to our Facebook page, our closed Facebook group. On this page, we are going to share whenever we post something new. We will put on there that we posted something. So you'll get alerts if you get notifications for this page, or you can go on Frequent and see if we post anything. So look here. We'll also email you when we post new things, so you'll be able to get the information here and in your inbox, in your emails. And so that is good. Hi, hon. Everybody say hi to Ainsley. You want to say hi, hon? Say hi. There you are. No? There's my daughter. I'll be right with you, love. Okay? I'm finishing this up. Okay? See ya. Bye. Alright. Back to this really quick. So go to Facebook or view your inbox often so that you don't miss out on any work. We are going to be utilizing a shared Google Classroom, and it is called 4th grade Philippine Scolma. Here is the code to get in. If your child is trying to add this, they are likely going to have to add this classroom if they weren't in school on Friday. So if we go to classes like this, they'll have a screen that has all their classes, but they might not have this one right here yet. They just have to go to the plus and join a class, and then they'd have to type the code in here. Okay, so the code once again was this. Pause it and type that in when you need it. Classwork, so you can just click over on classwork and see any classwork will have a title for it, but then when you go in it, it will tell you where they can go to complete this work, so on and so forth. Okay, so most of the work is actually going to be completed on Seesaw. So I'm going to jump over to Seesaw really quick. So Seesaw is going to look mainly like this. Your children have been on it extensively. There is kind of a home screen where they will be able to post all their stuff, but they can click over to activities, and when they click over to activities, this is where they'll find assignments. The first assignment is going to come on Monday, and it's going to be a reading response. So we will, I think it says here, tell us which book you chose to start this extended break with, why did you choose it, what chapter are you on, and what's happening in your book right now. So we hope they're reading at home and they can jump on Monday and answer this. Maybe they don't get to it till Tuesday. They can even answer it on Friday if they want. It's not going anywhere. But we encourage them to read and respond to these questions so that they can be, filling that reading gap that they're not going to be getting because they're not in the classroom. Again, these things are optional. You don't need to do them. But we encourage you to do them if it's into your family's plan. So this is where they will go to complete most of their work. So just to recap, we are going to be sending stuff out. We will let you know when things are posted via that Facebook group and via your email. You can go to, the kids can go to the Google Classroom page to find the details of the assignment. They can head over to Seesaw to complete the work, so on and so forth. Okay. 1 or 2. Oh, the last thing I wanted to do is I wanted to share with you our plan for like our schedule and when we are going to send things out. So this kind of shows you a little bit: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, so every Monday and Wednesday, we plan to share out a reading task and a math task. Okay, so every Monday and Wednesday, look for us to share a reading task for the students to complete and a math task for the students to complete. Again, if you can't get there on Monday or Wednesday or whatever day we, share some of these things, they will be still there. They can complete them at a later time, or they don't have to complete them. On Fridays, we are going to try to send out a fun challenge. That fun challenge is going to be something like maybe having the kids build a tower out of household items, build the tallest tower they can, and post a picture of it and tell us about it, just to get the kids chatting with us, chatting with each other, having that normalcy to, maybe cut into some of the boredom they might experience during this time off, and to just keep our community close, and to have contact with them. So it'll be just fun things for them to do and to share with their classmates and with us. And then on Tuesdays and Thursdays, we hope to share out just some resource. There's a lot of cool websites, educational websites, that have decided to open up their website completely free of charge. A lot of these are like pay websites, but they're like letting people for the next 60 days have free access to all these things, so that kids can learn from home. So for example, this isn't a website, but I wanted to show you, like maybe on Tuesday I might share with you this resource. I noticed on Facebook that the beginning Monday, March 16th, we're going to go live daily with free art tutorials to keep spirits up, families engaged, and creativity flowing. So when we notice things like this, we hope to share some of them with you so that you guys have some ideas for what to have the kids doing rather than just other video games all day. So those are some things. Hopefully it helps. Feel free to email us or contact us if you have any questions. All right, take care. Stay healthy.